This software has not received an external security review and may contain vulnerabilities. Do not use it for sensitive use cases, and do not rely on its security until it has been reviewed. It is a work in progress. bitchat is a secure, decentralized, peer-to-peer messaging app that works over Bluetooth mesh networks. No internet is required for mesh chats, no servers, no phone numbers, just pure encrypted communication. It also supports geohash channels, which use an internet connection to connect you with others in your geographic area. This is the Android port of the original bitchat iOS app, maintaining full protocol compatibility for cross-platform communication. Install bitchat. You can download the latest version of bitchat for Android from the GitHub releases page or from Google Play. To install from the APK, download the file on your device. Allow unknown sources in your settings. Then open the APK to begin installation. License. The project is released into the public domain. See the license file for details. Features. Cross-platform compatible. Full protocol compatibility with iOS bitchat decentralized mesh network, automatic peer discovery and multi-hop message relay over Bluetooth LE, end-to-end encryption, X25519 key exchange, and AES 256 GCM for private messages, channel-based chats, topic-based group messaging with optional password protection, store and forward, messages are cached for offline peers and delivered when they reconnect, privacy first, no accounts, no phone numbers, no persistent identifiers, IRC-style commands, familiar join, MSG, WHO-style interface message retention, optional channel-wide message saving controlled by channel owners, emergency wipe, triplet app the logo to instantly clear all data, modern Android UI, built with Jetpack Compose and Material Design 3, dark light themes, terminal-inspired aesthetic matching the iOS version, battery optimization, adaptive scanning and power management. Android setup. Prerequisites include Android Studio Arctic Fox or newer, Android SDK API level 26 or higher, Kotlin 1.8.0 or newer, and Gradle 7.0 or newer. Build instructions. 1. Clone the repository with git clone https, GitHub permissionlesstech bitchat-android git and change into the directory. 2. Open the project in Android Studio by selecting Open an existing project. 3. Build a project with a Gradle wrapper command. Gradle build. 4. Install on a device with Gradle install debug. For development builds, run Gradle assemble debug and install the resulting APK with ADB install our app build outputs APK debug app debug APK. For releases, run Gradle assemble release. Android specific requirements. Permissions are requested automatically and include Bluetooth, location, network, and notifications. Hardware requirements include Bluetooth LE, Android 8.0 or higher, and at least 2 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Usage. Basic commands include J-channel to join or create a channel, M@name message to send a private message, W to list online users' channels to show all discovered channels, block @name to block appear, unblock @name to unblock appear, clear to clear chat messages, password, to set or change a channel password, owner only, transfer @name to transfer channel ownership, save to toggle message retention for the channel, owner only. Getting started, install the app, grant Bluetooth and location permissions, launch bitchat, it will auto-start mesh networking, set your nickname or use the auto-generated one. You will automatically connect to nearby iOS and Android users, join a channel with J-General or start chatting in public. Messages relay through the mesh network to reach distant peers. Android UI features. The UI uses Jetpack Compose with Material Design 3. Themes switch between dark and light modes, and the interface adapts to various screen sizes. Haptic feedback provides vibrations for interactions and notifications. Message status shows real-time delivery and read receipts. RSSI indicators display signal strength colors for each peer. Channel features. Channel owners can set password protection with pass, enable mandatory message saving with save, mention users with @nickname, and transfer ownership with transfer. Security and privacy. Encryption uses X25519 key exchange and AES 256 GCM for private messages. Argon 2-eyed password derivation with AES 256 GCM for channel messages. ED 25519 for message authenticity, and new key pairs for each session to provide forward secrecy. Privacy features include no registration. Messages exist only in device memory by default. Random delays and dummy messages to prevent traffic analysis, and emergency wipe. and built-in Tor support for enhanced privacy when internet connectivity is available. Performance and efficiency. Message compression uses LZ4, automatically compressing messages over 100 bytes and saving between 30% and 70% of bandwidth. Battery optimization varies by power mode. Performance mode when charging or above 60%, balanced mode at 3060%, power saver below 30%, and ultra-low power below 10%. Background efficiency and configurable scanning adapt to battery level. Network efficiency is improved with optimized Bloom filters for duplicate detection, message aggregation to batch small messages, and adaptive connection limits that adjust peer connections based on power mode. Technical architecture. Bitchat uses an efficient binary protocol with a 1-byte type field, TTL-based routing, automatic fragmentation for large messages, and deduplication via unique IDs. The mesh networking has each device acting as both client and peripheral, with automatic peer discovery, steering forward for offline delivery, and adaptive duty cycling for battery life. Android-specific optimizations include Cortina-based asynchronous operations and encrypted shared preferences for secure storage. Core components include the application class, main activity, view model, mesh service, encryption service, binary protocol handling, and the Compose UI screen. Dependencies include Jetpack Compose, Bouncy Castle for cryptographic operations, the Nordic BLE library, Kotlin coroutines, LZ4, and encrypted shared preferences. The Android implementation remains fully compatible with the iOS binary format, sharing the same 13 bytes header, packet types, encryption algorithms, UUIDs, and fragmentation logic. Publishing to Google Play. Preparation involves updating version information in the Gradle build script, creating a signed release build with .gradlu assemble release, and generating an app bundle with .gradlu bundle release. Play Store requirements include targeting the latest Android API, providing a privacy policy, justifying Bluetooth and location usage, and completing the content rating questionnaire. Distribution channels are the Google Play Store, F-Droid, or direct APK downloads. Cross-platform communication. The Android port enables seamless communication with the original iOS app. iPhone and Android users can message each other, share mixed groups, and experience full feature parity, including commands, encryption, and routing. iOS version. iPhone and iPad users can get the original iOS app from the GitHub repository https GitHub jackbits bitchat. Contributing. Contributions are welcome in areas such as performance, UI/UX, security, testing, and documentation. Support and issues. Bug reports and feature requests can be opened on the GitHub issues page. Security concerns can be emailed privately. For iOS-specific issues, refer to the original iOS repository.